Annyeonghaseyo sonseng name Jirumun Muhammad Kausar Limnida Chanun Bangladeshi Saram Imnida Je Nainun Sumulu Sarimnida Chanun Hakseng Imnida Je Kajugun Mudu Nemyong Isumnida Abuji Hagu Omoni Hagu Hyong Hagu Jo Chanun Kodung Hagyurul Churup Hagu Tehagyoge Thanigi Sumnida Chanun Hanguge Ua Hangug Munhwa E Tehag Hon Semi Manaso Hangul Fes Sumnida Kamsamnida. Hello sir, my name is MD Kausar Ali. I am from Bangladesh. I am 22 years old. My family consists of 4 people. I have a father, a mother, younger brother, and me. My father is a businessman. My mother is a housewife. I graduated from Borobari High School and currently attending Program Government Honors College. If I am able to study abroad at Konkuk University, I will first complete a Korean language training course. After finishing the language training, I would like to enroll in the Konkuk University, study hard for my bachelor degree, and graduate successfully. Following that, I plan to pursue a master's degree as well. After complete my studies, I would like to return to Bangladesh and work in the field related to my major. I also contribute to the development of my country.